सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Welcome back, students. In previous video lecture we have learned exercise 1.1, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Today teaching exercise 1.1 differentiation, question number 4. Question number 4, a table of value of f, g, f dash and g dash are given. The value of x equal to 2, 4, 6. The value of f of x means f of 2 equal to 1, f of 4 equal to 3, f of 6 equal to 5. Next, the value of g of x, g2 equal to 6, g4 equal to 4, g6 equal to 2, and differentiation of f of x means f dash x, f dash 2 equal to minus 3, f dash 4 equal to 5, f dash 6 equal to minus 4, and differentiation of g of x means g dash x, g dash 2 equal to 4, g dash 4 equal to minus 6, g dash 6 equal to 7. Using these all values to calculate, first r x equal to f of g of x, find the value of r dash 2. First problem, exercise. Question on right side, left side solution. Solution 1, find the value of r dash 2, means first question. Given r x equal to f of g of x is given. If means given term, r x equal to f of g of x. Given term, differentiating with respect to x. Total term total term r x equal to f of g of x, differentiating both sides. First on left side differentiation, r x equal to r dash x. Right side total term differentiation d dx of f of g of x. On right side, first differentiating first term and then second term. First term differentiation means f of g of x. Differentiation of f dash g of x same. Again differentiating g of x means remaining number. Next, r x left side same, f dash g of x same. Again d dx of g of x means g dash x. Total r dash x equal to f dash g of x into g dash x. But calculate the value of r dash 2. R dash 2 means the value x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 left side as well as right side. R dash 2 equal to f dash g x equal to 2. G dash same x equal to 2. Next, f dash g of 2 into g dash 2. The value of given in above table. G2 equal to 6, G2 equal to 6, f dash 6. Second g dash 2 same. Again putting the value of f dash 6, f dash 6 equal to minus 4, second g dash 2 equal to 4, minus 4 into 4 equal to minus 16 means we get the value of r dash 2 equal to minus 16. Completed first question. Question number 4th. Second question. If rx equal to g 3 plus f of x, calculate r dash 4. Rx equal to g 3 plus f of x, calculate the value of r dash 4. Right side question. On left side solution, given Rx equal to g bracket 3 plus f of x, given term. Taking the differentiation both sides, differentiating with respect to x. On left side, differentiation r of x means r dash x equal to differentiation of total term. Left side same, r dash x same. Right side, first taking the differentiation of g. G means g of x. G dash x number same. Again differentiating f of x means only d dx of 3 plus f of x. At the first time taking the differentiation of first term and again second differentiating the second term. Next, g differentiating g dash same number d dx of 3 plus f of x. G dash 3 plus f of x number same. Again d dx of 3 means constant term differentiation equal to 0 means 0. Again differentiating f of x, f dash x. Next, g dash same number, f dash same number, r dash, but calculate the value of r dash 4 means x equal to 4 number. The value of x equal to 4, putting x equal to 4, right side g dash 3 plus f of 4, x equal to 4. Calculate f dash 4 again, g dash same, 3 same. First put value of f of 4, f of 4 equal to 3, f of 4 equal to 3. Second, f dash 4 same, 3 plus 3 6, g dash 6, f dash 4. Again put value of g dash 6, g dash 6 equal to 7, f dash 4 equal to 5. 7 into 5 equal to 35 means we get the value of r dash 4 equal to 35. We get the second question. Third question. If Sx equal to f of 9 minus f of x, find the value of f dash 4. Third question. F dash, calculate the value of s dash 4. Given Sx equal to f of g of f of 9 minus f of x, a given term. Differentiating with respect to x, left side as well as right side. First differentiation of Sx means s dash x. Differentiating total term f of 9 minus f of x. First on right side, left side तो same रहेगा. Right side differentiating first f dash 9 minus f of x into d dx of x. X means 9 minus f of x. 9 minus f of x. First term same. Next, d dx of first 9 is constant term. Constant term derivative equal to 0. 9 0. Again d dx of f of x means f dash x. Next s dash, left side same, f dash g minus f of x and f dash x. Put the value of, calculate the value of x equal to 4. X equal to 4 means x equal to 4, f dash 9 minus f of x into f dash x. X equal to 4, x equal to 4 and x equal to 4. f 9 सेम, f of 4 का वैल्यू f of 4 equal to 3, f of 4 equal to 3. Again f dash 4 equal to 5, f dash 4 equal to 5. Again 9 minus 3 6, 5 same. Again f dash 6 equal to minus 4. Again minus 4 into 5, total answer minus 20, means we get the value of s dash 4 equal to minus 20. And last question, question number 4. If sx equal to g of x, calculate the value of s dash 6. Find s dash 6 given sx equal to g of x. Sx equal to g of x, differentiating both sides. X differentiation f dash x, right side total term differentiation. First differentiating g, means g dash g of x. Again differentiating of x, means x equal to g of x, ddx of g of x. First term same, differentiation of g of x means g dash x. Write the value of left side and right side. The value of x equal to 6. X equal to 6. Left side x equal to 6. Right side x equal to 6. Right side x equal to 6. Putting the value of g6. G6 equal to 2. G6 equal to 2. G dash 2 and G dash 6. Again using this table, calculate the value of, means write the value of g dash 2. G dash 2 equal to 4 and g dash 6 equal to 7. 7 into 4 equal to 28, means s dash 6 equal to 28. Complete the question number 4. Next exercise 1.1, question number 5. Question number 5. Question assuming that the value of f dash 3 equal to minus 1, g dash 2 equal to 5, g 2 equal to 3 and f y equal to f of g of x, calculate the value of dy by dx. But x equal to 2. After first calculate dy by dx and then put the value of x equal to 2. Given term y equal to f of g of x, differentiating left side and right side. Left side differentiation y का dy by dx, differentiation total term f of g of x. First differentiating f, means f dash a number same रहेगा. Again differentiating g of x, f dash g x का वैल्यू x equal to 2, x equal to 2, g of x का डेरिवेटिव g dash 2, means g dash x equal to 2. Next f dash g2 and g dash 2, but g2 equal to 3 given. Problem g2 equal to 3 means g2 equal to 3. The value of g2 equal to 3 and g dash 2 equal to 5. G dash 2 equal to 5. Next again f dash 3. F dash 3 equal to minus 1. Value of f dash 3 equal to minus 1, g dash equal to 5. 5 into minus 1 means last answer dy by dx. टोटल प्रॉब्लम के अंदर dy by dx का वैल्यू कितना है, f dash g2 and g dash 2. Put the value of x equal to 2, we get the total answer dy by dx at x equal to 2 equal to minus 5. And next question number 6. If hx equal to root 4 f of x plus 3 into g of x given, again given f of 1 equal to 4, g of 1 equal to 3, f dash 1 equal to 3, g dash 1 equal to 4, calculate the value of h dash 1. Means first differentiating hx. Given hx equal to root 4 f of x plus 3 g of x given, differentiating with respect to x both sides, the differentiation of hx, h dash x, root, we know that d dx of root x, d dx of root x equal to 1 upon 2 root x into d dx of x. In this problem, the value of x equal to 4 f of x plus 3 g of x. The value of total x equal to 4 f of x plus 3 g of x. First day 1 upon 2 root x means 1 upon 2 root, the value of total x का value substitute किया है, into d dx of x. X means inner number of root term. Total 4 f of x plus g 3 g of x equal to x. Means taking the differentiating x means d dx of 4 f of x plus 3 g of x. In simple 1 upon 2 root x into d dx of x. Next first a term same आएगा. Differentiating 4 f of x plus 3 g of x, d dx of 4 f of x, 4 numbers same, differentiating of f of x, f dash x, plus 3 same, d dx of g of x का derivative gx. Next hx equal to this number, but calculate the value of h dash 1 means x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 left side and right side. h1 x equal to 1, 4 same, f dash 1 plus 3 g dash 1 upon 2 4 f of x equal to 1, x equal to 1. Putting the all values in given term, 4 same, f dash 1 का value 3, f dash 1 equal to 3, 3 same, g dash 1 का value 4, again 4, 2 same, root same, 4 same, f of 1 equal to 4, plus 3 same, g1 equal to 3, equal to 4 into 3 12, 4 into 3 12, 2, 16 plus 9 25, again 25 means root 25 equal to 5, 24 upon 2 into 5, 2 divided किया 12 means total answer 12 upon 5. Means the total value of h dash 1 equal to 12 upon 5. Question number 6 complete. Next question number 7. Question number 7 है find the x coordinate of all point the curve is given y equal to sin 2x minus 2 sin x. एक given है y equal to sin 2x minus 2 sin x. The value of given, the value of x equal to 0 to 2 pi, where dy by dx equal to 0. First y equal to sin 2x minus 2 sin x डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है. डिफ्रेंशिएशन करने के बाद dy by dx इक्वल टू 0 अज्यूम करना है. गिवन y इक्वल टू sin 2x minus 2 sin x, डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. लेफ्ट साइड y का डेरिवेटिव dy by dx, sin 2x का डेरिवेटिव d dx ऑफ sin 2x इक्वल टू फर्स्ट differentiating of sin only, differentiation of sin, differentiating sin derivative cos 2x. Again differentiating 2x equal to total cos 2x into 2. Differentiating x का 1 means total differentiation of sin 2x equal to 2 cos 2x minus 2 same sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x. सिंपल. dy by dx equal to total dy upon dx equal to cos 2x into 2 minus 2 cos x. We know that the value of cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Total cos 2x का वैल्यू cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. ये 2 नंबर सेम minus 2 cos 2x. cos 2x का वैल्यू क्यों सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है? वो टोटल इक्वेशन ट्रांसफर टू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन means we get the value of cos x. 2 into 2 4 cos square x minus 2 minus 2 cos 2x. Again total 2 common, all term 2 common, 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1. We get the quadratic equation in cos x. After solving the quadratic equation we get the 2 factor. A 2 same, total first factor a plus b, a minus b means 2 cos x plus 1 and cos x minus 1. Next dy by dx equal to 0 given. dy by dx का वैल्यू 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है. ये 2 डिवाइड होगा 0 अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू 0. We get 2 cos x plus 1 cos x minus 1. After solving the quadratic equation we get 2 root. First root 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0 or cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Cos x equal to minus 1 upon 2 ये डिवाइड होगा और cos x equal to minus 1 plus 1 means the value of x equal to minus half and 1. We get the value of x equal to 0, 2 pi upon 3, 4 pi upon 3. For example, suppose cos x equal to 0, cos x equal to cos 0, cos 0 equal to 1. We get the value of 1. Again 2 pi upon 3, 4 pi upon 3 and so on. We get the dy by dx, we get the value of x equal to, last answer, x equal to 0, 2 pi upon 3, 4 pi upon 3. And last question, exercise 1.1, last question 8 number. Select the appropriate hint from the hint basket is given and fill up blank space in the following passage. F of x equal to x square plus 5 and g of x equal to e raised to x plus 3. Using the value of f of x and using the value of g of x, calculate the total filling the blanks number. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 number. First, f of g of x. F of g of x means first f of g of x equal to f of g of x का मतलब total value of f of x, bracket value denoted by x. Bracket value denoted by x means first value of f of x, not g of x. First value of f of x. f of x का value कितना है? x square plus 5. Total term denoted by f of x first. Put the value of f of x equal to x square plus 5, but bracket term x equal to g of x means x equal to g of x whole square plus 5 equal to, again put the value of g of x. g of x equal to e raised to x plus 3 whole square and plus 5 equals to. Solving this, we get the value of f of x, g of x is given after e raised to x plus 3 whole square plus 5. Solving this number, e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x plus 14. Plus 14 means expansion of e raised to 2x plus 3 into 2ab. 2ab means 3 into 2 6 e raised to x plus 3 square 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 14 means first e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x plus 14. We get the first, filling the blanks. Answer, f of g of x means first write the value of f of x. Next, x equal to g of x square. Again expansion, we get the first value e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x plus 14. Next, second, g of f of x. G of f of x means write the first value of g of x, means gx. gx का वैल्यू g f of x equal to, फर्स्ट है gx अज्यूम करना है, वैल्यू फर्स्ट gx का आएगा. gx इक्वल टू कितना है, e रेज टू x प्लस 3, e रेज टू x प्लस 3. बट द वैल्यू ऑफ अगेन x इक्वल टू कितना है, f ऑफ x मीन्स e रेज टू f ऑफ x प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू अगेन f ऑफ x का वैल्यू e रेज टू f ऑफ x इक्वल टू अगेन x square plus 5 plus 3. We get the second value g of f of x equal to e raised to x square plus 5 plus 3. Second, e raised to x square plus 5 plus 3. We get the second value g of f of x equal to. फर्स्ट ध्यान दे दो, फर्स्ट है एफ ऑफ एक्स का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, उसके बाद एक्स के जगह जी ऑफ का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. नेक्स्ट है सपोज जी ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स रहेगा तो फर्स्ट जी एक्स का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, अगेन एक्स के जगह एफ ऑफ एक्स का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. वी गेट द फाइनल आंसर ई रेज टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 प्लस 3. एंड नाउ एफ डैश एक्स, खाली एफ डैश एक्स लिखना है. एफ डैश एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू कितना है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5. एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x और 5 का 0. वी गेट द 2x. आंसर एफ डैश एक्स इक्वल टू डी डी एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 2x. एंड नेक्स्ट जी डैश एक्स इक्वल टू, जी डैश मीन्स ई एक्स डी डी एक्स ऑफ e raised to x plus 3. e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x सेम और 3 का 0 मीन्स वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ फोर्थ, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, e raised to x. नेक्स्ट है द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f ऑफ g ऑफ x विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x इन टर्म्स ऑफ f एंड g इज, मीन्स इसका टोटल मीनिंग डी डी एक्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, मतलब जी डी डी एक्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू देखो फर्स्ट टर्म डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स विथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ एफ एंड जी. फर्स्ट है डिफरेंशिएटिंग एफ डैश, दो टर्म है कंपोजिट फंक्शन का, f of g of x. First differentiation of f dash x and second differentiation of g of x. Same number. First differentiating f means f dash g x and into again differentiation of g of x means g dash x. Similarly, next d dx of f of g of x equal to d dx of first differentiating f and differentiating g of x equal to first 1 2 3 4 5 नंबर कंप्लीट हुआ है. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, फिफ्थ कंप्लीट हुआ है. नेक्स्ट है डी डी एक्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू डी डी एक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट है एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ का वैल्यू यहाँ पे निकाला है आपने. एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स का वैल्यू, ये वैल्यू इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स का वैल्यू ई रेज टू 2x 6 e रेज टू x प्लस 14, इसका वैल्यू. अगेन differentiating e raised to 2x means 2 e raised to 2x. d dx of e raised to ax equal to a e raised to ax means a मल्टीप्लाई होता है. जिस सेम नंबर 2 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है और e raised to 2x सेम आएगा. 6 नंबर सेम, e raised to x सेम, 14 का डेरिवेटिव 0. We get the second value d dx of d dx of f of x. First है d dx of f of total value of g of x equal to this number. Again putting this value equal to e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x plus 14 equal to 2 e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x only. We get the 6 number, filling the blanks. Next है d dx of f of g of x. f of g of x का वैल्यू कितना है? f of g of x इक्वल टू सेम नंबर. कैलकुलेशन अगेन f of g of x इक्वल टू f of g of x इक्वल टू at x इक्वल टू 0. At x equal to 0 means 2 e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x equal to, ये दोनों नंबर सेम है. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन टोटल कितना है? 2 e raised to x plus 6 e raised to x. खाली x का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. तो 2 e raised to 2 into 0 plus 6 e raised to 0. e raised to 0 means 1. 2 plus 6 e raised to 1 equal e raised to 0 equal to 1. Total answer equal to 8. Next है the derivative of g of f of x with respect to 2x in terms of f and g. First है differentiating g dash f of x into, again कौन सा डिफरेंशिएशन बाकी है? f of x का. We get f dash x. We get the total value. Total difference, the derivative of g of f of x with respect to in terms of f and g is g dash f of x into f dash x. First है differentiating g. पहला g का डिफरेंशिएशन लिखना है, उसके बाद जो ब्रैकेट का टर्म है उसका डिफरेंशिएशन लिखना है. और लास्ट है d dx of g f of x equal to d dx of g of f of x. g ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स का वैल्यू कितना है? g एफ ऑफ एक्स, ये वैल्यू देखो टोटल, ये वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. d dx ऑफ g एफ ऑफ एक्स, हाँ g एफ ऑफ एक्स, g एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू e रेज टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू e रेज टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x square plus 5 into d dx of x square plus 5 3 का 0. लास्ट आंसर e raised to x square plus 5 x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x means टोटल आंसर e raised to x square plus 5 into 2x. And last d dx of g of f of x. d dx of g of f of x, the value of g of f of x is given. g of f of x equal to total value e raised to x square plus 5 plus 3. But the value of x equal to minus 1. Putting the value of x equal to minus 1, e raised to minus 1 square plus 5 plus 3 equals to e raised to minus 1 square 1, e raised to 1 plus 5 plus 3 means e raised to 1 plus 5 plus 3. Last a g e raised to minus 1 plus 5 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 e raised to 6. The total question number 8 equal to on right side question, left side answer. First a 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 number. Okay. Next lecture exercise 1.2 लेंगे अभी. ठीक है. एक्सरसाइज 1.1 कंप्लीट हुआ है.